Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, we have already started this lesson number one of geography environment, and we have understood clearly about what we mean by environment. What is an environment? Then components of environment. We have also read about that natural, human-made, and human beings themselves are the environment. Then we have read about natural environment consists of lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, na? Then ecosystem also we have read about and understood about ecosystem nicely. Have you all understood about ecosystem?
Your voice is not coming.
Have you? Hello, all of you have understood about ecosystem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now coming to the new topic, that is human environment of the same lessons. Lesson number one, environment. Now we are on the human environment. Everybody has opened the book.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. That means human beings themselves are make an environment, and they bring the changes in the environment. They bring the changes in the environment. Modify means to bring the change in the environment, and they change the environment according to their needs.
आपकी आवाज कभी आ रही है कभी नहीं
हाँ,
आ
yes.
रही है.
Then we have seen that early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. Early human beings, first of all, what they had done, they were living in the surroundings, natural surroundings only. There were no buildings and all. They were not having knowledge about to build the houses and all, or to live in the community. But early human beings were living in the natural surroundings, and they led a simple life and
Hotspot
fulfilled
on
the requirements from the nature around them. So these human beings, early human beings, they used to live in the natural surroundings, but their requirement was also very limited, and they used to fulfill their requirement uh, with the nature around them only. They did not make any changes in the environment, but early human beings, they uh, live in the environment, they are in the natural surroundings only, and they led a very simple life. Plus, they were having very few daily needs to satisfy, and those requirements were fulfilled from the nature itself. समझ में आया आपको? पहले जो जमाने में early human beings, you might have learnt in the sixth standard. You might have learned in the sixth standard about early human beings, how they had lived in the natural surroundings. So, and they fulfill all their requirements from the nature itself. Then, with the time, needs grew and become more varied. That means when as the time passed, the human beings needs grew more and more, and to satisfy the needs, now humans learn new ways to use and change the environment as the needs grew of the human beings. लोगों के जो ह्यूमन बींग्स की है जो नीड्स है, जो ज़रूरतें हैं, वो बढ़ने लगी धीरे-धीरे, और जब वो बढ़ने लगी नीड्स, तो उन्होंने अपने एनवायरनमेंट में चेंज लाना शुरू कर दिया. So first of all, where do early human beings live? They used to live in the natural surroundings. They used to have the limited requirements, limited needs, and that requirements they used to fulfill from the nature around them. But as the time passed and needs grew, what human beings did? They started making use and change in the environment. They started making new ways, and they started bringing the changes in the environment. Then they learned to grow crops. How they made the new changes in the environment? They learned to grow crops, domesticate animals, and led a settled life. They started growing the crops. They were having the knowledge of growing the crops. domesticated. Previously, they used to hunt animals. They used to move in the forest and here and there, and they used to hunt animals for to satisfy their requirement. But now they started taming the animals, domesticating the animals. Animals को पालना शुरू कर दिया. And now they started a hello. And now they started a settled life. Settled life means एक जगह रह करके उन्होंने अपना छोटे छोटे हट्स बना करके ग्रुप्स में रहना शुरू कर दिया. The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged. Now what happened? The wheel was invented. The invention of wheel, as the time passed, the needs grew, more and more knowledge developed of human beings, and they started inventing new things. Then with that only, wheel came into in the society, and the surplus food was produced. Surplus, word surplus means extra food. Surplus means extra. जितना हाँ, जितना जरूरत है उतना तो वो उगाते थे, पर उससे कहीं ज्यादा भी क्रॉप्स उगाते थे. सरप्लस फूड मीन्स ज्यादा उगाते थे. And barter system emerged. Which system emerged now? Barter system. Now what is barter system? It is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. A barter system is a type of trade. किस टाइप का ट्रेड है? व्हाट इज अ ट्रेड? ट्रेड इज इंपोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट थिंग्स. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह चीजों का लेना देना. देन दैट एक्सचेंज ऑफ थिंग्स वाज डन विदाउट द यूज ऑफ मनी इन द अर्ली इयर्स. अर्ली डेज में क्या था कि वो चीजें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह दी जाती थी लोग आपस में एक्सचेंज करते थे थिंग्स विदाउट द यूज ऑफ मनी. नाउ इन आई विल गिव एन एग्जांपल लाइक the farmer has grown the surplus food crops. फार्मर के पास बहुत अच्छा ढेर सारा क्रॉप्स है, एंड नाउ ही इज इन नीड ऑफ द वी कैन से व्हाट वी कैन से दैट स्लीपर्स और शूज. तो अब क्या है, उसको शूज की या स्लीपर्स की जरूरत है. देन व्हाट ही इज गोइंग टू डू, ही विल गो टू द कॉबलर के पास जाएगा वो, और कॉबलर से उसको कहेगा कि वो उसको शूज और या स्लीपर्स उसको जरूरत है वो उसको दे. और उसकी जगह क्या होगा, कॉबलर क्या कहेगा कि कॉबलर को क्या नीड है. कॉबलर को अगर उस वक्त फूड क्रॉप्स की जरूरत है, तो वो क्रॉप्स जो है वो फूड क्रॉप्स है, वो कॉबलर फार्मर से ले लेगा और उसकी एक्सचेंज में वो उसको क्या दे देगा, फार्मर को क्या दे देगा, फार्मर को कॉबलर शूज, है ना, शूज या हाँ शूज और स्लीपर जो भी रिक्वायर किया है उसने फार्मर ने. सो व्हाट इज दिस, इसमें क्या फार्मर ने जाकर के कुछ खरीदा, पैसा दे करके कुछ खरीदा अपने लिए शूज और कुछ नहीं. उसने जस्ट अपनी चीज दूसरे को दे करके, दूसरे की नीड की वो चीज दे करके उसको एक्सचेंज कर दिया, और वो चीज उससे वो ले ली, अपनी जरूरत की चीज उससे ले ली.
मैम
हाँ यस.
मैम मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी, तो मैम ये ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट मेरे को समझ में ही नहीं आया.
What happened? Okay, now, so in this way, now you understood what is barter system. Barter system means exchange of things. Things को एक दूसरे से exchange करना. एक जने को जो requirement है वो अपनी requirement fulfill करने के लिए दूसरे को बोलता है, और दूसरे को जो requirement है वो उससे अपनी requirement fulfill करने के लिए वो चीज उससे ले लेता है. तो एक जने से दूसरी जगह change करना, that is to fulfill the requirements. Am I clear? बार्टर सिस्टम विदाउट द यूज ऑफ मनी. अब इसमें मनी का यूज नहीं हो रहा है, एक जने से चीजें ले रहा है, मींस थिंग्स.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस
मैम मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी, तो मैम मुझे ये वाला पैराग्राफ समझ में नहीं आया.
विच पैराग्राफ दिस, बार्टर
मैम
सिस्टम.
यस मैम, दिस ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट.
हाँ
मैम ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट.
human environment. So human environment is the environment in which nowadays if we see that human beings requirements are becoming more and more, the needs are increasing day by day. So in one sense we can say that man is making modification or changes, bringing changes in the environment to fulfill the daily requirements or daily needs. previously, if we see in early years, that is, early human beings adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. In sixth standard, you might have learned that early human beings used to live in nature, and whatever they had the requirement, they used to fulfill it with the nature around them. Yes or no? They were
Yes.
go from one place to another. Food ki requirement they used to pluck food, fruits, and they used to eat that like that only, and they used to hunt animals for that. So as the time passed, the needs grew. Needs grew means धीरे धीरे उनकी जो requirements है वो बढ़ने लगी, and they started bringing the change in the environment. They started bringing the change in the environment. वो अपनी needs को fulfill करने के लिए environment में change लाने लगे. Now they started growing crops. पहले तो वो as it is nature में घूम करके अपना food and roots ले लेते थे, food के रूप में काम में ले लेते थे, domesticate नहीं करते थे. They used to hunt animals, but now they had to fulfill their needs. They started growing the crops. Agriculture की उनको knowledge आ गया था. Plus they started domesticating animals. अब वो जानवरों को पालने लग गए थे, एंड दे स्टार्टेड लिविंग अ सेटल्ड लाइफ. अब वो सेटल्ड लाइफ एक जगह पर रह करके और फार्मिंग एक्टिविटीज में इंडल्ज हो गए थे. नाउ इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील वाज देयर, प्लस सरप्लस फूड. सरप्लस फूड मींस एक्स्ट्रा फूड वाज आल्सो ग्रोन. जितना रिक्वायरमेंट थी उससे कहीं ज्यादा एग्रीकल्चर पर्पस में उन्होंने ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्रॉप्स उगाना शुरू कर दिया. Then the barter system emerged. Barter system means the change of things in place of things without the use of money. आपको अगर चीज की जरूरत है, जैसे आपके पास एक न्यू पेंसिल है, एंड your friend needs that pencil from you, and you wanted that pen from your friend. तो आप क्या करोगे, आप अपनी पेंसिल उसको दे दोगे और वो आपको उसका पेन दे देगी. So that is just the exchange of things, not the use of. आप जा करके उसको पैसा नहीं दिया आपने, but आपने क्या करा, things were exchanged in place of things. So that is called as barter system. The trade started and commerce developed. Now slowly trade also started and commerce developed. That is, profit making was started now. Industrial revolution enabled large scale production. Industrial revolution started and large scale production was there. Now things were produced for the profit, for money making. Large scale production means for profit making. अब factories, industries ये आ गई societies में, और अब उन लोगों ने large scale production शुरू करा for the profit, for earning the money. Transportation become faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. Now transportation also become faster with the invention of wheel. Information revolution also came. Nowadays you see that the family members who are sitting very far away from you, you can see them, you can talk to them in within a few minutes only. थोड़े से समय with the revolution in the communication system. Yes or no? Changes आए ये सब to fulfill the needs of
Yes,
the.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, have you ever thought why you love eating a juicy watermelon in summer and hot roasted peanuts in the winter? Now, the question arises that in summer season, why you want to drink or eat the things which make your body cool, and why you want the things like roasted peanuts and all in winter, or hot coffee, hot drinks and all, because to make a perfect balance in your body. The perfect balance is necessary between the natural and human environment, and thus the perfect balance is necessary in the natural environment also and in the human environment. Means the balance between nature and human beings is also important. Now, human must learn to live and use the environment in the harmonious way. So, human beings should learn to live in the environment, in their surroundings, in the peaceful way. Harmonious way means in the peaceful way without damaging the environment. Clear till here? Everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, Noori, a girl from Mizoram from Ravi's class, often talks about the lush green surroundings of her place. Now, Noori is from Mizoram. Who is Noori? The classmate of Ravi. In the beginning of the lesson, we have already seen who was Ravi. Ravi, after a long vacation, is moving back to the school. Hana, and on the way, he noticed what he noticed, that the playground near the
school has been
इस
good.
dug out, है ना? तो अच्छा नहीं लगा था. So seeing Ravi upset with that situation, with that condition, where Ravi is very upset because of losing of his playground near the school. So Nuri, his classmate, Ravi's classmate, invites Ravi to come to Mizoram to visit the place Mizoram, where there is lush green environment. Lush green environment means हर जगह greenery है, हर जगह पेड़ पौधे हैं. And Nuri invited him to visit her home state during the coming vacation. अब की छुट्टियों में उसने बोला रवि को कि अब की छुट्टियों में आप मेरे जगह पे आइए, so that it will make you feel happy. Ravi's teacher asked the students to draw the landscape, houses, and activities of the people and places they visit during the holidays. Now, this activity was also given by the teacher to draw the landscape, the scenery, the environment of the houses, activities of the people and places they visit during the
They visit
summer vacation.
holidays.
During the holidays. Now, this I left out, I think. You can underline this also on 5th June every year. Which day is celebrated?
World Environment Day.
World Environment Day.
Good, very good.
Bird environment.
World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. So I hope this lesson is understood by each and everyone clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आगे सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now coming to the question and answers. Question answers I am going to give it to you on the student portal. On the student portal in the PDF, question answers will be there of this lesson. You are going to do in the same notebook. History का work जहाँ पर किया था आपने, जिस notebook
Yes,
में,
ma'am.
in the same notebook. Distribution नहीं करोगे आप notebook का, where you have completed the history work with the second page only. मतलब जहाँ पर हिस्ट्री का काम खत्म हुआ उसके वेरी नेक्स्ट पेज से आप क्या लिखोगे? ज्योग्राफी लेसन 1 और उसी के पेज से नेक्स्ट पेज से आप
मैम एक पेज छोड़ के.
नहीं पेज नहीं छोड़ना है. नो नीड टू लीव द पेज. नो
Yes,
नीड टू
ma'am.
लीव द पेज.
अच्छा मैम हिस्ट्री का वर्क होते ही फिर मैम वहीं से जियोग्राफी शुरू करना है.
हाँ, जहाँ पर हिस्ट्री का खत्म हुआ है उस पेज को, अब जैसे हिस्ट्री का पेज यहाँ तक ही आया है, यहाँ तक ही काम हुआ
ओके
है,
मैम.
तो ये पेज नहीं, यहाँ पर नहीं शुरू कर देना, नीचे से नए
यस मैम.
पेज.
नेक्स्ट पेज.
हाँ,
नेक्स्ट
नए
पेज.
पेज से, ठीक
ओके
है ना?
मैम.
Okay, ma'am.
और प्रॉपर्ली मेंशन करना. नाउ कमिंग टू द टिक द
मैम
करेक्ट.
बुक की एक्सरसाइजेस करा दो.
exercises, tick the correct and match the following.
First time experience.
Only book में ही mark कर लो. You don't have to do this in the notebook. Notebook में नहीं करना है ये. Notebook में आप
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
PDF में काम दूंगी वही करना है, PDF वाला काम. Are you all
Yes, ma'am.
following? Okay, now tick the correct. Which is not natural ecosystem.
Aquarium.
मैम बी.
Aquarium.
मैम बी.
Aquarium. Aquarium is not an natural ecosystem. Natural नहीं है ये, artificial बनाया हुआ है fish को रहने के लिए, है ना? Now, which is
Yes.
not a component of human environment.
Land.
Land.
Land मैम.
Yes, land. Why? Because religion और community में human beings involved होते हैं ना?
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
मैम.
And next
मैम
is
सी.
which is
मैम
the
रोड.
मैम रोड. मैम थर्ड का
Ma'am,
रोड.
road.
मैम थर्ड का
human made
रोड.
environment. Road.
रोड.
Mountain और sea क्या है? Natural है?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम फोर्थ का सी.
हाँ. Sea. Which is a threat. Now listen.
Ma'am, growing population.
growing
Listen.
मैम ग्रोइंग ग्रोव्स.
Listen now. Which is a threat to environment? पहले आप question समझिए. Which is a threat to environment? Threat का मतलब, threat का means है कि डर जो harmful है environment के लिए. Which is a threat to environment means जो चीज harmful है, जिस चीज से environment को खतरा है. Growing plant से खतरा है?
No, ma'am.
No ma'am. Ma'am B growing population.
हाँ, yes. B growing population. Population बढ़ रही है, उससे environment को खतरा है. कैसे? If population
Yes,
will
ma'am.
increase, then for them the फॉरेस्ट विल बी क्लियर, उनके रहने के लिए, उनके खाने के लिए सब कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करना पड़ेगा एनवायरनमेंट को हार्म करने करके. सो थ्रेट टू एनवायरनमेंट मीन्स एनवायरनमेंट से जिसको डर है, हार्म होगा,
Yes, ma'am.
क्या करेगा. तो ग्रोइंग
Yes,
पॉपुलेशन
ma'am.
विल आंसर. क्लियर.
Growing
Biosphere.
population. Yes, ma'am.
What is biosphere?
Ma'am, biosphere, ma'am.
Narrow zone where
Ma'am, narrow zone
land,
where
water,
land
and
and water.
air entered.
Yes, the C. Sorry, E1.
मैम ई मैम ई
Ma'am, atmosphere.
Ma'am, E.
Ma'am, atmosphere, blanket of air which surrounds the earth.
Ma'am, air.
यस मैम
Very
यस
good.
मैम यस मैम
Ma'am, hydrosphere. Ma'am, hydrosphere, domains
Ma'am,
of
domains
water.
of
वाटर मैम डोमेन्स ऑफ वाटर
Ma'am, environment, our surroundings.
surroundings.
Ma'am, our surroundings.
Surrounding.
Now you have to listen carefully to me. Now nobody is going to talk. Now listen. If in exam also match the following will come. अगर एग्जाम में आता है, वैसे तो नहीं आता है नॉर्मली, बट अगर आता है then don't draw the lines. अभी भी आप बुक में lines don't draw. Don't draw the lines. You just mark the number. It will look neat. If you will draw the lines, what it will make your book untidy. Book untidy करेंगे और आपको भी समझ में नहीं आएगा. Now this C and F is the extra one. C and F is the extra one. No need to mark anything here. कुछ भी mark करने की, leave it like that only. Just mark these one.
लगा दे.
हाँ, चाहे तो wrong लगा दो. Yes, you can put a wrong cross. हाँ. Now understood this, tick the correct and match the following. Mark it in the book itself. Now,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
मैम एग्जाम में भी ऐसे बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आ सकते हैं क्या?
May be possible अगर match the column देंगे तो. नहीं तो match the column
Okay,
may be
ma'am.
asked in the blanks or true and false also form. किसी भी form में पूछा जा सकता है ये सब, है ना?
ओके मैम.
Now
Okay.
give reasons. ये give reasons. I am not giving you in the PDF. ये सिर्फ आप समझ लो. मैं समझाने के लिए बोल रही हूँ आपको. Man modifies
Okay.
his environment. Why man modifies his environment? Man क्यों change करता है environment में?
For their fulfill
हाँ,
need.
to
For
fulfill his
their
requirement.
For need.
fulfill their needs.
To fulfill their needs.
Very good. And second, plants and animals depend on each other. कैसे depends है each other पे? Plants give what?
Plants give
Animals
Food
eat
and
plants
oxygen.
and
Food to
Plants
animals,
give
animals
plants to
and give
animals.
many things to.
Carbon dioxide and manure, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Here, so this is just for your knowledge. I'm giving you this explanation here. Now we come to. I hope this is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this give reason will not come in exam.
You should have the knowledge ना. We don't know what can come in exam, but आपको knowledge होना चाहिए ना, इसलिए मैंने आपको explain कर दिया इसको. Now this
Okay, ma'am.
PDF I'm going to share it to you on student portal. You have to write down geography, chapter 1, environment, and you have to start the same way, very short question answers, short and long. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it in the very neat way, or no spelling mistake should be there. Spelling mistakes नहीं होना चाहिए. Check each and every mistake, means line twice. अच्छे से उसको देखना कि कोई spelling mistake नहीं हो. Carefully do the work in the notebook. I hope it is understood now, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now this is over. This I'm going to share it to you on the student portal. From there you can do it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Hello,
Nice, ma'am.
time is still
Okay, ma'am.
remaining.
Bye, ma'am.
Hello, who asked you to leave the class?
शिमला मैं हूँ मैं.
Who asked you to leave the class? Still I am there, na? And time is still there. Now, just an introduction of the lesson on equality. I'm going to just introduce you because time is still there, 10 minutes 8 to 10 minutes are still there. Just introduction I'm going to give it to you of this lesson, and from the next class we are going to start with this lesson. Okay, am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, civics?
Yes, ma'am.
Civics, just आप book नहीं है आपके पास अभी तो no problem, just you understand, this is just an introduction. In next class we are going to start.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Next lesson will be of civics, lesson 1 on equality. On equality, the word equality means everybody is
बराबरी.
हाँ बराबरी, समानता का अधिकार है. Everybody should be treated equally without making any
Poor and rich person.
है ना, without making any discrimination on the basis of caste, color, creed. किसी के भी basis पे किसी तरीके की inequality नहीं show करना है. Everybody should be treated equally, and that means equality, means equality है. Now in this sixth class, you have already read about democracy. Democracy के बारे में सुना आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Democracy of
हाँ, what is
government.
democracy? और उसके की फीचर्स के बारे में भी सुना आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
first can you tell me what is democracy?
Ma'am, the type
Ma'am,
of government in which people
In
participate
which
in
people
their own
participate in
government.
their
Ma'am, in
own
which
government.
people are participated in.
In
Very
their
good,
own
very good.
government.
Very good. Yes, democracy is that form of government in which people choose their representative. People participate करते हैं. How they participate? They participate in choosing the
By choosing
government.
their
What are the
representatives.
key features? Key features कौन
Representatives
से हैं?
to run the
It
government.
has universal adult franchisee.
Very good. Universal adult franchise. Now, if you have talked about universal adult franchise, then can anybody tell me what is the age limit of universal adult franchise?
Ma'am,
18.
above
Ma'am,
18.
18.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I'm
18.
above 18.
Very
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
good.
above
18.
18. 18
18
and
and
above.
above.
18 and above.
18 and above
18 and above.
The person who is 18 years old can also vote. The person who is above
18
18 can also vote. Clear? So
Yes,
here in
ma'am.
this lesson we are going to read about equality. India is a democracy. India कैसी country है? Democratic country है. And you have already read about the key elements, main features of democracy. क्या है? People's participation, resolution of the conflict. Resolution of the conflict means if any type of conflict arises among the citizens, group में कोई conflict आ जाता है, कोई controversy हो जाती है, या between the government or the citizens, then that type of conflict should be solved by the people themselves or by the government. So this happens mostly in the democratic form of government. The solution to the problems is there. Then equality and justice is also the main key elements of the democratic form of government. Democracy है जहाँ पर, तो वहाँ पर हमें equality देखने को मिलेगी. Plus justice also is provided to each and everyone. How justice is provided to each and everyone? If a
By
person,
the form of
हाँ, सबको law in front of law, everybody is treated equally. Likewise, if we say that if a person who is having a very high position in the government office has committed a particular type of crime, and another person who is of the low caste, he or she has also committed the same type of crime, उसने भी वही गलती की है, then what? Punishment will be different for both of them, क्योंकि वो बड़े लोग हैं और ये छोटी कास्ट का है, इसलिए पनिशमेंट डिफरेंट होगा.
no, ma'am.
No, that is why it is said that justice means everybody will have the justice.
Ma'am,
सबको justice मिलेगा और क्या होगा, लॉ सबके लिए एक समान होगा. Clear? So here equality is the key feature of democracy. We can say that equality means समानता एक बहुत मेन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग है, फीचर है डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट का. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We are going to read more about what is equality, what is the importance of equality, and is there actually we see equality. हम हमेशा equality की बात करते हैं कि हमें समानता का अधिकार है भारत में, सब एक समान माना जाता है, सबको एक सा माना जाता है, but can we say that in reality actually this equality is there in our India or not? So
No,
all
ma'am.
questions, all these questions we are going to read about and understand it clearly in this lesson in our next class. I hope till it is here clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
type once again present in the chat box and try to
Okay.
complete the work of geography in neat and clean handwriting. And that's all for today. Thank you.